What I love about this Orgasm collection is it works on everybody. The colors are beautiful, they blend well together, you can mix, layer. The texture of this collection is so sensorial. Glides on the skin, it doesn't feel heavy, and it just gives this amazing glow and this luminosity and this radiance to the complexion. I'm gonna begin by applying the liquid highlighter to the apples of the cheeks and blending it back to the temples. And it has this wonderful peachy pink tone with gold shimmer. It's universally flattering on every skin tone. The Orgasm Liquid Highlighter is so versatile. You can see that it looks beautiful alone on clean skin, but it also looks fantastic over any other blush color. This palette is so versatile. You can use it on the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips. Right now I'm going to mix the Super Orgasm and the Orgasm shade and put it directly onto the eyelid and up into the brow bone. Just gives a really nice wash of peachy pink. Fingers are just the easiest way to apply it. I'm applying Deep Orgasm, which is a metallic mauve color. It really is beautiful. It brings out every eye color, works on every skin tone. On the cheeks, I'm going to use Orgasm, and I'm mixing it with Orgasm Fever, the really beautiful bronze shade. I'm going right to the apples of the cheek and blending it up onto the cheekbone. Just gives a really beautiful sun-kissed look. On the lips, I'm just going to do the classic Orgasm color and just lightly with my fingers press it in. Concentrating at the center of the bottom lip just gives a bit of dimension. And if you want to intensify, you can take a little bit of this light champagne color, it's called Orgasm Ecstasy, and lightly right in the center of the bottom lip. So now I'm adding a little bit of Deep Orgasm right to the center of the apple. It's a deep rosy tone, and it will just give that extra flush of color along with that little bit of added dimension. The Orgasm Lip Oil is the most comfortable thing you can wear on your lips. It has a great applicator that puts just the right amount, and it gives just a subtle hint of that famous orgasm shade. It's infused with pomegranate extract and raspberry seed oil, so it hydrates, it smooths, and it also protects the lips.